Meaning of foreground.
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 Foreground. The term foreground refers to the visual or audio components that are perceived as being closest and most immediately present to an observer or listener. In a visual context, the foreground typically includes objects, people or elements that are positioned closest to the viewer and appear to be the focus of attention. Similarly, in an audio context, foreground sounds are those that are perceived as being the most prominent or important. Ultimately, the foreground can be seen as defining the point of focus for an individual's attention within a particular sensory experience.